Hi, this is Professor Liu. I am going to show you how to set up your GitHub Copilot. It's a system to help you to code your program to make your programming easier. And you also learn from the Copilot. And we will use Visual Studio 2026. Step 1 is you need to make sure you have this GitHub Copilot. So you need to make sure we go to modify. We go to installer. We go to installer to modify if you don't install it first. So I go to my Visual Studio 2026 and this installer. And you need to modify if you don't have it, okay? And it's a little bit, but add your Visual Studio 2026 installer, and you want to click on individual components. Make sure all the components and you have a C++, but now you're going to look for something called Copilot. Okay, it's right here, GitHub Copilot. Then you need to check it. Okay, so that's step 1. So once you modify that, you can close. After you modify these, you can close your Visual Studio. Like I want to close it right now, and I'm going to open my Visual Studio. This is my Visual Studio right now. So, and I am going to create a new project. It's okay, and I'm going to use C++. Okay, and I'm gonna just project 3, whatever name is fine. All right, so right here you see I have a Copilot pop out, and it's too big, so let me make it to let it stay to somewhere, like maybe just here. Smaller, this is too big, but we need to see how you work on Copilot. Okay, so let it stay right here, smaller. Okay, now before I move to the smaller one, you will see right here, you could ask your Copilot, active document, ask Copilot question, and to help you. All right, so at this moment, I also want to continue to show you. And for the Copilot, okay, you could, you want to go to tool option, and then select Copilot. You do that already, right? Then the box enables C++ code and editing tools. Okay, now here once you do that, and when you type, you will see it show up. When you just type something, it will show some tags. It's called ghost tags, and you just go ahead, tap it. Or you could chat with the Copilot questions. Let's see how we do that. Is that okay? So we're going to do that right now. So we have this project 3. So I'm going to click add, and I'm going to new item. Is that okay? So I'm going to project 3. Okay. So right here, let's see how Copilot will help you, okay? Now let's see how Copilot will help you. So I am going to just start our golden 7 line, is that right? So I type include, okay? And I type IO string, and right now this is called ghost tags. If you tap, it will do it for you, okay? Then you want to do using, and you see it's you type you have this called ghost tags. You just tap over, tap over, and they type for you. And we continue integer and man. Okay, now you see there's you just tap. Okay, so it just give you some simple easy ones. For example, if you want to add two numbers, so it give you easy thing to start with. Okay, and then you could over here ask a Copilot to fix, to say, okay, I don't want integer. Okay, I change the variable to double type. It's okay. All right. Oh, then so Copilot will tell you these here, but you could come right here. So it's slow. We can put here. All right. So it will help you right here. Okay. So it will continue look for you. So now I change that, and you see the Copilot already write the program for you. And if you click apply, okay, it will automatically copy to this part for you. It will automatically copy. All right. So this way it's easier for beginner learner, or even advanced learner, and to have a guide, have, I would say, this programming body to program with you, especially when you need to program a little bit advanced topic, and sometimes you have a problem right there, and you need people to, you want to talk to your instructor or your TA or Copilot, and it will help you to program your project easier. I hope you like this project, and I hope you like Copilot. Well, I hope you like the video too.